the Chubby Wubby episode marathon.
Hi, today we went to Chubby Wubby Baby School. Today we learned how to blow bubbles, blow kisses, and smile.
Hi, I'm Chubby Wubby. Today, Daddy got a new car. So I went for a ride with him, and he was like, "Okay, son, stick your head out the window." So I stuck my head out the window, and I was like, "Faster, Daddy, faster! Faster, Daddy, faster! Oh, God, Daddy, you fast!"
No, you should do it again.
Yeah, do hers.
My name is Chubby. I'm holding it.
Okay.
Ready? My